The overhead garage storage lift hoist by product name presents a robust solution for maximizing storage space in your garage, offering easy organization for various items while ensuring effortless operation and durability. Designed to support ceilings ranging from 8 to 16 feet in height, this heavy-duty lift system boasts a remarkable weight capacity of 300 pounds, making it ideal for storing bulky, seasonal, or less frequently used items overhead. Ease of use is paramount with this garage storage lift hoist, featuring a user-friendly hand crank mechanism that enables smooth lifting and lowering of items up to 16 feet high with minimal effort. Whether you're storing camping gear, sports equipment, or holiday decorations, this system simplifies retrieval and storage, ensuring everything is securely stowed away until needed again. Safety is a top priority with reinforced braided nylon ropes that provide maximum security during operation. The anti-drop system further enhances safety measures, offering peace of mind when handling heavy loads. The labor-saving winch, equipped with a 42:1 gear ratio, ensures that lifting even the heaviest items feels virtually effortless, accommodating your garage organization needs with efficiency and reliability. Installation of the garage storage lift hoist is hassle-free, featuring an integrated wire grid that streamlines setup and customization according to your garage's spatial requirements. This grid design not only reduces installation complexity but also allows for tailored adjustments based on your storage preferences and available space. Versatility is another key feature of this garage storage solution. Beyond seasonal item storage, the lift hoist can function as a Wrangler top removal lift, providing additional utility for automotive enthusiasts. This multi-purpose capability underscores its value as a versatile tool for garage organization, accommodating various storage needs with ease. Engineered for durability and long-lasting performance, the garage storage lift hoist is crafted to withstand the rigors of daily use in demanding garage environments. Its sturdy construction ensures reliability, making it a dependable choice for homeowners looking to optimize their garage space efficiently. In conclusion, the overhead garage storage lift hoist offers a comprehensive solution for organizing and optimizing storage in your garage. With its robust design, high weight capacity, and user-friendly features, this system provides a practical and efficient way to keep your garage clutter-free while ensuring easy access to stored items. Whether you're clearing floor space or securing seasonal belongings, this garage storage lift hoist delivers on functionality, safety, and durability, making it an indispensable addition to any garage organization toolkit.